The effect of AI on the jobs market has been a massive discussion point recently, with experts predicting that AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs in the coming years. My name's Harvey, and in today's video, we're going to be exploring which jobs are safe from AI, and if you stick with me, you might be pleasantly surprised because we have actually got quite a few to go through here. All of the links that I've used to various articles to gather research for this video will be available in the description below. With that being said, let's get straight into it. Roles with a significant social or emotional component are much more likely to be safe from automation. This is because these roles rely heavily on the human touch, which thankfully can't be replaced by a robot. Yet. Roles in this category could include counsellors, therapists, social workers, and teachers. So in essence, any role that requires a lot of understanding of complex emotional situations will likely be safe from AI because a robot cannot automate those feelings and understand a person like another person can, if that makes sense. In addition to this, more white-collar roles such as customer-facing or sales roles are likely to be safe as well. This is because of the personal engagement that's required to build relationships with your customers or with clients that's so necessary to the success of this role. I mean, if you're like me, how many times have you been on the phone to a massive company and then you've been put through to like an automated chatbot and it's the most annoying thing in the world? You just want to speak to a human because they will be able to understand the complex intricacies of your problem better than a robot. In most cases, these chatbots will get like an understanding of what your query is and then it will forward it to a human operator. People are always going to have complex emotional queries, so it's likely that these roles are going to be safe in the future. Good news to those of you in hospitality, as thankfully AI cannot automate the work of chefs or front of house waiting staff. Of course, I would be really nervous if we were to have AI making our food that we eat at restaurants, so safe to say that we're always going to have that human touch as well as the human connection with the waiting staff that bring the food out to the table. This one might be a surprise, but physical jobs, i.e. those in construction, are typically safer as well. Whilst there is a conversation to be had about how artificial intelligence has taken over roles in engineering or advanced manufacturing, it is yet to take over some key roles within construction. This could include your labourers, your site managers, your crane or excavator operators. Other physical jobs that are a long way from automation replacing them include plumbers and other tradespeople, janitors and barbers. Luckily at this point, artificial intelligence is yet to take over these roles that require a bit more physicality. Next we move on to the medical profession and the roles that are safe within this area. Roles within this bracket include surgeons, nurses, physiologists and oncologists. Ooh, lots of ists. According to various articles, highly paid senior roles within a corporate environment are safe from automation as well. This is of course due to the complex strategic element of making business decisions that will allow an organization to operate effectively. Those in the legal profession might also be safe if you are in the position where you're advising in court. Whilst artificial intelligence has got much better at automating the administrative aspects of the legal profession, i.e. managing caseload and organising diaries, the need for a human touch is going to be prominent in court when advising and representing clients. With the news that a lot of roles are unsafe from automation, Rishi Sunak has encouraged the public to not be as worried as they are. He has actually encouraged areas of AI, stating that they make our economy more prosperous and more productive. I will of course leave you with that. I will let you form your own opinions about the Prime Minister, but there is some truth in the sense that AI will create jobs. Roles that are likely to be created in line with AI developments include AI specialists/developers, data privacy specialists, or AI ethics officers, just to name a few. Okay, so there we have it. Hopefully, if you're involved with any of these sectors, you have had a little bit of reassurance. Of course, I can make a part 2 with more roles that we weren't able to get through in today's video, so please do let me know in the comment section below. I'm also going to be making a video about which roles are unfortunately not as safe. The best way to get notified when that comes out is of course to subscribe, so please do that if you have enjoyed the video today. Leave a like as well, it'd be much appreciated. But yeah, that's everything from me. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.